Hello guys, Shadow is here. On today's video, I am going to show you how to make this trending Montagem Guerreiro style edits. Here is a quick preview. Get everything ready. For today's tutorial, I am going to use Montagem Dominator because of the same vibe and beats like Montagem Guerreiro and Raya. And also I chose this Avengers Doomsday trailer for this edit. Now it's time to mark beats. You can check my previous video for accurate beat marking process. Here what it looks like. You can pause the video and copy this same beat markers. Now follow my steps. The scene pack that I am using now is already 60 frames per second, so I don't have to enable frame blending to it. Now pre-compose it and split the layer. Pre-compose it again and make your reverse, whether at time remapping or Twixtor, it's up to you. Now pay attention because this is the tricky part. Enable time remapping and delete the end keyframe. After that, go to the second beat and add a keyframe and value to it. Then go to next beat and copy, then paste the last two keyframes. Now select all keyframes, then easy ease them. And make sure that all keyframes has to the same graph. This is what it looks like. Now repeat this step and follow along. Now it's time to spice things up. Let's add zooms. Add adjustment layer to all clips and add your microwave zoom in and out zooms. Look carefully now, add blurmo curves, and follow my steps. Keep doing this process, and don't forget the graphs are same as the one remapping graphs. Now it's time for adding video effects. Then duplicate your clips and cut them every 10 frames each. Then right-click, transform, flip horizontal, then add this effect shown here. Keep doing the process, then select all layers, then pre-compose them. After that, add your shakes. Thanks for watching, and like the video please, and don't forget to subscribe and share to your editor friends who need this tutorial.